Prepare for the ultimate Minecraft challenge as we summon the terrifying Wither. To begin your Wither summoning ritual, you'll need two essential ingredients: soul sand and soul sand. Find soul sand, identifiable by its sandy, earthy texture, usually found in the Nether. Next, gather soul sand. This is a rare item dropped by any skeleton, but you'll need to defeat them to acquire it. You'll need a minimum of 4 soul sand. Now, for the core of our creation, the Wither skulls. These ghostly heads are dropped by the Wither skeleton. When defeated, you'll need exactly 3 Wither skulls. Carefully place the 3 Wither skulls symmetrically on top of the soul sand structure. As you place the final skull, watch as the Wither begins to materialize, a menacing shadowy figure. Congratulations, you've successfully summoned the Wither. This formidable boss will now attack anything in its vicinity, so be prepared with your best gear, potions, and strategies. Remember, the Wither is a highly aggressive creature that will unleash explosive projectiles and regenerate health. Prioritize avoiding its attacks and dealing consistent damage. Defeating the Wither is a significant achievement in Minecraft, granting you a Nether star, which is crucial for crafting powerful beacons. Good luck, and may your battle be victorious.